Hey friends, today we're going to show you how to remove a starter. Specifically, we're going to use a Honda CR-V 2006, but the concepts are the same, and this is applicable to the K series engines for Honda. The weather isn't the best, but we're going to show you how. The main three things you're going to have to do is, number one is remove the battery, number two is you have to locate where the starter is, number three is remove and replace the starter. That's all you have to do. Alright guys, so remove a starter for most cars, it's either on the side or in the mid-range of the engine or underneath the engine. For this Honda CR-V, you have to remove the air intake, the throttle, choke, as well as the intake manifold. But before we begin, on any car, always remove the battery terminals to prevent any electrical problems. Here we go. We're gonna remove everything so it's easier and you have more space. This. Leave that up. This off. Okay. Oh shit, yeah. Put that one off. Hose is removed. Take that. Take off the top cover, guys. I'm gonna remove this section so there's more space later. I wouldn't recommend doing this in the rain, but it has to be done. We're gonna get a plastic bag so we can cover the engine. Alright guys, we got a plastic bag now. Breaker bar. Alright friends, this is the intake manifold. This is the air intake, the battery, the throttle body. This right here, guys, is your starter. We have to remove the two bolts here and one more bolt in the back. This and this wiring. Once you locate where your starter is, you have to remove and replace, put it back on, put everything back together. Alright friends, I just removed the old starter. Alright guys, when I removed the starter, I didn't notice we had a dead mice or rat here. Ouch. Alright friends, the new starter is almost installed. We had to take off the manifold, the throttle body, and the air intake hose. And we're putting everything back together and then we're going to start it. Alright guys, I just installed the starter. Now I have to return back the intake manifold, the throttle body, and the air intake. Alright friends, I'm able to put the intake manifold back on. I gotta put back the throttle body and the rest of the electricals in. Alright friends, I just finished reinstalling the throttle body. I'm gonna put the air intake hose and its peripherals, including electronics and coolant lines. Here we go. Alright guys, I just put back the air intake and its electrical peripherals. Now we're just gonna put back the battery and the hood latch, and then we're good to go. Alright guys, I put everything back, including the battery, and that's it. Please like and subscribe.